Guys, I'm gonna show how cut the water off in in one apartment, the two bedroom, two bath. Okay, this valve is located in the top of the water heater. That prevent to cut the water in the whole apartment. Okay, this to turn it off, we can see, like you can see the valve right here. You turn the water off. Okay, and to open is to the right. To close is to the left. Now, if we do this process, we prevent to find the damage in the apartment downstairs, and this is the best way to prevent the flood in the other units. Like this valve in all the apartment is located in the top of the water heater. Okay, and like you see, this is under the air handler, the air conditioner air handler. This the water heater located. After you cut the water off, make sure it's off, and check the faucet in the bathroom and the kitchen to make sure it's off, and just call the maintenance for service, and we coming to take care as soon as possible any issues that happen. Thank you very much.